Just out here with a bunch of fellas going for a ride. What do you think's going on?
Yeah, we're heading up, go through Fraser Park, gonna run over to Reyes Creek, see if we can grab some grub there, and then head back down the 33 down into Ojai. What do we have, 12 bikes with us?
Yeah, we got a lot today.
Yeah, all the boys.
But hey, it's all part of the fun.
Stay with us.
So hey man,
Yeah.
we're out here just cruising around. We got up this morning and we met a lot of guys. So it was like, I don't know, you can see all the bikes out there. I don't know everyone, but we're having fun.
Yeah, we got some baggers, we got some Dynas, and we even have a Yamaha. Our buddy Josh has got that rolling out today as well.
Not only our buddy, but he films everything we're doing. But we canyons, freeways. We got Lance's second trip on his CVO. We got Rob's first trip on his new special, #1 special over there. And hey, stay tuned.
Great day in Southern California.
2-lane life. So we're at this place called Camp Scheideck. It's off the 5 freeway. It's between Gorman and Ojai. You end up on the 33. It's just a cool little place to come through and check it out if you're traveling around. They got a little ghost town here.
Yeah, they have a little bank in it, a telegraph place, a little old western town. It's kind of fun to look at, you know?
Yeah, it's in a place called Camp Scheideck. It's, what would you call this back here? What's this?
It's off Lockwood Valley.
Yeah, off
the 33, and you can also find it under Reyes Creek campground.
They have a little church up there. Yeah, so Reyes Creek campground, that's a great way to check it out. So if you're ever, a lot of guys come here on Harleys, a lot of guys come here on adventure bikes. There's trails, there's all kinds of things back here. So, if you're out and about and you got time to kill, check out Camp Scheideck. Well, see, you can bring any kind of bike you want here, right?
Yeah, I mean, there's dirt up here, there's a campground.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, any kind of bike, you can make it down here.
Oh,
It's a
yeah,
great
definitely.
spot.
I made it on that bike.
Excellent. Nice meeting you
guys.
guys. So the great thing about taking long rides like this is you get to see new places and kind of hang out.
Or just hanging out. So if you're worried about the news, just go out and ride because restaurants like this are open.
Restaurants like that.